Hello, Stone's Throw here with a quick hotfire tip about masking for all you budding After Effects users out there. Did you know that you can hide particular parts of your objects and shapes by using something called a mask? It's simple. With the object selected in your timeline, select the pen tool or shape tool and simply draw over your object in the composition panel. And just like that, the object is now isolated to your drawn area. You can also right click on the layer and select mask, followed by new mask. And this will create a default highlighted box around your object for you to then reshape to how you want, by clicking on the points to move them and using the pen tool to add or remove points. A second tip is that after adding a mask, if you click on the layers drop down, select the new mask subheading, you will have various options such as invert to reverse the masked area, feather to add some blur to the edge of your mask, opacity for how transparent the masked area is, and expansion to have the workable area outside the mask visible. You can also create as many masks as you want. One thing to remember, after selecting the pen or shape tool, if you see your cursor looking like a box like this, you're ready to draw a mask on your selected layer. If it looks like a star, you're going to draw a shape layer because you haven't got a layer selected in your timeline. Thanks for watching this quick tip. Now go out there and get your mask on.